guys, it's Anna. Thanks for joining me. So I wanted to do a quick video on unboxing my Monthly Hero kit. So everyone should be getting their kit, I think, this week. So I just wanted to show you guys what it's going to look like. It comes wrapped in this beautiful ribbon and the dies on the other side. There is so many images. Greetings from my happy place. Enjoy the beach life. Hello. See you soon. With sympathy, which is nice. Life is better with sandy feet. And thinking of you. And there's lots of cloud images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cloud images. Some birds, a beach ball, rock, some seashells, some starfish, sea stars, and then a little palm tree. And this is the solid stamp, layering stamp that gets the waves. It's beautiful. And actually, if you look online for stamp sets with the layering set that's this big, it can be quite pricey, so this is a really great deal. And then it comes with the coordinating dies. So the coordinating dies are going to cut out the chair, the starfish, the rock, and the dolphin, the mermaid, the beach ball. I believe this is the palm tree, I want to say. And this is some of the clouds and the conch shell. That's nice. And it comes with four ink cubes. This is, I think, like a seafoam shimmer spray, which is really nice. The shimmer kind of settled, the mica, but you can usually shake it up and kind of loosen it up. Well, that's going to be very pretty. And then this sand embossing powder is like chunky, and it's got different colors of brown. And then some stickers. Freckled Fawn is called. They're kind of cool, I think. And then 4 ink pads. So like a soft sky, deep ocean, summer sky, and soft granite. And I'm so glad that they started labeling them, because a lot of the ones I have aren't labeled, so I don't know what color really they are, so I have to kind of go by swatches, which make them a little inconvenient. But that's going to be beautiful for the beach. And so I wanted to show you the shimmer spray actually with the mica, and it actually settles very quickly. So I did do a test spray on here, and it does spray a bit darker, so I'll show you how dark it sprays. It sprays very dark green, but it dries like very lightly, and it almost becomes like a sage green. I don't know if you can see that there's just so much mica in the spray. And actually, if you don't shake it up that much, the mica isn't too bad. Like, you'll get different shades of green depending on how much you shake it up. But I can see that if I were to use it halfway, maybe I could fill it up with some water and get like an even softer green, which might be nice for like some grass, or even just some light shading or some nice texture in the background. Yep. And then I wanted to compare. This is a spray we got in a previous kit, and I believe, yeah, it was a set that we got in a previous kit. And I just want to show you how much they're giving you now. They're giving us so much. It's about maybe double, maybe even more, because of this is like definitely a bigger spray, you know? So they're definitely giving us so much. And then I also wanted to show you guys in comparison. So this is the specialty embossing powder that we're getting, and it has some like dark browns and light browns and some soft beige and maybe even some white and some orange that I can see, but mostly like dark and light browns. So this is a embossing powder set from Stampendous called Beach, and you get 5 of them. There is baby blue, sky blue, Pacific blue, chunky white, and golden sand. Now, it's very similar, but it's not the same. Just letting you guys know, because it is a little bit more white. It's not as, sorry about the glare, it's not as like dark brown, but if you had brown embossing powder, you could definitely mix it up. There is some speckles of dark brown in here, just not as much as in this one, so you'll probably get like a softer look. And then this chunky white you could use for clouds, you could use for the sea foam, but it's very chunky. I don't know if you guys can see how chunky that actually is. But I just wanted to show you guys, and then these are like the 3 blue ones that you get. And I believe these are just regular embossing powders, not chunky. So I just wanted to show you guys that if you didn't quite have this kit, but you guys had, you know, some ocean scenes or some beach scenes and you wanted to add that type of same texture and same look, you could definitely do that. This was about around $12. So that's definitely not bad. You can also find other sprays like this on the market, and you'll probably get like a bigger tube if you purchase it. Like my Ulta New one is quite big in comparison. So I'll compare the 3 for you here. Baby one, mommy one, and a Big Daddy. You know, but this is definitely a great size for the amount that, you know, for the kit. And I'll show you again once like how this dried down when I didn't shake it as much. It's definitely like a darker green. So if you shake up the mica less, you get more of like the pigment and less shimmer, which is nice. Yep.